Good morning, San Antonio. Good morning, San Antonio. This is Sydney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas, and we are the Trading Places. If you haven't gone to our YouTube channel, please go there and subscribe. I know that we have a lot of international students on there that watch it after it's recorded. Let me see here. All right, let's look for some trades. What do you say? I looked at some last night, and looks like we may have a pretty decent Forex week to start off. All right, looks like gold's going down again. Oh, it went up. Look at this. This is last night during the trade call. 6 o'clock, yeah. It steadily went up, kind of plateaued, and has been on the way down the last few hours. So, where are we? Okay, race mode. Those of you who are our students, have Sierra charts, just go to help and download current version. You can do a lot of nice things. It's pretty neat. Okay, here we are. Let's put our timeline, timestamp it. With gold, I know there's a lot of tricks out there in Forex. A lot of them are fads. A lot of them just don't work. But I am a trend trader. That's what I teach. And it looks like we're on an uptrend the last however many candles that is, a day maybe. Part of day, part of Sunday, part of Friday. We had a sell off here. Did pretty good. So let's see how we do. All right, let's go to US 30. Kind of took a retracement, went back up. Looks like it's on its way again. So let me take off this timestamp. Put a new one. It's a slippery. It's a very slippery fish, so we got to be careful which way we call this. But all we can say is it had a trend here, went down. Looks like it's doing that again. I think I said it yesterday. I've said it plenty of times where most of the time when US 30 is going up, dollar or the gold's going down. So, we don't do this here. I haven't had my Go juice today, guys. I have it with me, but it's really hot. Okay. Looks like it's back to where we started yesterday. Look for short signals. It did. It went short a little bit. Let's erase this. To me, this really looks like, I'm going to stick to that. This really looks like consolidation. I wouldn't trade this one today, I don't think, unless there's some more volume, unless it's just bust out here shortly, but I'm not really interested in this one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Dollar yen. Excuse me, guys. Okay. No agreement. There's usually no signals or anything when you're in consolidation. So what we're going to do is look at this. It looks like it's in a nice little downtrend. I really like it. Matter of fact, let's move this over here. I like this trade so much. Excuse me for not having this stuff ready. Take a look at this here. I'd wait on this one. This could be trying to clean people out and give us a false signal here. I'd wait on this one. I'd wait on this last indicator to turn. Very good. Okay, let's figure out where we are. This is a good trade for tonight or later on today. I'm going to wait until a signal comes out. We definitely have this little thing going on here. So what we're going to do on that one is indicators. This is what happens when you don't have brain food, folks. Euro JPY. I guessed on this one. Look at this. It took an uptrend when consolidation is coming down. You know, you can never tell when it's in consolidation. You can never tell when consolidation's in there. You gotta have indicators to let you know when it is. That could have been consolidation. The reason I did this way is because it was Sunday, close of the market, you know. There's no rhyme or reason for consolidation. So now it's starting to show a trend here. Just a slight one, but it's there. It sure does look like I mean, it still could be. This looks like a zero line here, and it's already kind of crossed over. Let me see something here. Zero JPY. Yeah, looks like it's turning down here. I hate trading against the trend, and we have on a 4-hour candle, we have a very long upward trend here. And let me see something here. You're gonna show a big downtrend. Yeah, it's on the 15-minute. It shows it's a downtrend, but this is just a mere retracement of what a bigger candle is. If you go to the 1 day, it's going to show an uptrend as well. Just look at that. That's pretty steep. That's a lot of pressure. So I'll definitely wait this one out. Wait till the indicators turn, just like King Solomon said. Short indicators turn. We're good. Yeah. Let's wait on this one. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Oh, I did. Wait for money to test. Oh, man. I'm not sure to go down. I want to see this. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. So our money was here. And so my previous text says wait till 7025 and it fell short. It sure did test that line. So I'm not saying that guys, don't even think that I'm some kind of Houdini when it says look for the 725 to go short. It's just a test. It's all it was. This money will test that line. And I had it on 70. Let me see. I had it on I had it right there, and I said when it tests this line, look for it to fall. So it may test it again. But all this is saying right here, guys, is this is right here just a big form of consolidation. So just this is the institutional traders' way of collecting money. It collects money here, and it collects money here. Look at all these test lines right there. It'll bounce and come back up. This one even broke through it. This one did too, but a lot of the times it just touched and come back up. So this is probably going to go long until it gets here again. And at this point, it could test this line or it could penetrate it and come up here. It's tested up here too. So there's a lot of agreement here. We make our money through support and resistance, but just beware. Trade is consolidating. Be patient. Okay. 1 second. See what happens here. Pound dollar. Look for long, but look for retrace on 7025. I can't tell if it ever made it unless I erase this timestamp here. Yeah, it hit it okay. And it came back down. It's going back up. It just waited for a test line, guys. That's all it did. Don't think I'm some kind of brilliant. That's for dang sure. Let me see something here. Something like this trade here. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. All right, let's move right along. Let's figure where we are here. I just, you got to pay attention on this one, guys. This could be a really big consolidation. Just for easy sake, I'm going to call this no agreement for right now. There's too much stuff going on here. It's already retracing. There's this down here and this up. And there's no agreement. This is going down. I mean, it could be turning short. We'll see for PM session. Dollar Swiss. Long of signal stay. It went long. Now it's going down. There's going to be some good movement in Forex today. It's definitely setting up for tomorrow. We have this going on here. Okay, and then let's put our timestamp here. I'm going to call this short when indicators turn. Jesus. Wow, okay. Boy, am I struggling today. God. You just put that on a watch list or write it down or something, because this is going to be a trade. I'd wait for it to really turn hard, because it could bounce off of this line here, and it's getting close. I'm gonna put that on the notes. 95,780. I'm just going to put watch for 95,780. Somewhere in there. I mean, it really took a bounce when it hit this line. It tested and took off, so just beware. Let's go to pound Swiss. Went long for sure. And it took a downward turn. This also could be, if you're going to take this short, this is just Forex at its finest right here, where you really have to pay attention, where it will go long if the support and resistance are in long strides like this one. But I would definitely wait until you see you have this here, and put it right here because that's where it's been. And I'm also going to look at this here, or even this right here. Oh, this is a better one. This could go all the way down to here and just bounce. Hold on one second. As a programmer calling me, but we're more important right now. So just wait for retracement. That's what we're gonna do. But let's figure out where we are first, so we can go back and study this when it comes out. Okay. Sorry about that. Guys, I'm not calling a trade on this one, but this is a perfect way to see how Forex works. I just made the comment, this is Forex at its finest. Look for these support lines for this trade to bounce. That's why I said wait for retrace on these lines. Perfect way, not what. Sorry about that. This could be, it could wait here, or it could happen here. But this is a better support line. Let me see something here. Let's see if these line up. Look at that. Just beautiful. The Fibonacci, or the retracement tool, is definitely good, but it's general, and I like to find my own Fibonacci, my own support resistance. Aussie dollar JPY. Well, there's still no agreement on this one. This one looks like it's in retracement here. Maybe I should have done the box a little bit bigger. Let's go to CAD yen. Start right here. Boy, I really like that. Isn't that nice? I'm not using this to its I'm gonna take this off here. Whoops, excuse me. I'm sorry about that. So sorry. Swiss yen. I have a sneezing bout for like crazy. This will be the last one, guys. We've gone over lots of trades today. A lot of Forex people take off on this day. We have to continue on this. You just have to, you can never let your eye off of this stuff. I mean, you can, I shouldn't say that. It's just that this is setting you up for the day or for tomorrow. We're definitely looking at a short trend here. It could I would definitely look for short signals. This will be the last one, guys. Okay. I'm just, boy, I'm getting killed here on my head. I have a bad headache. We went over about 10 trades. There'd be some allergies or something. Allergies are very strong here in South Texas. So, but anyway, guys, I want to thank you for letting me into your lives today. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. And thank you for the bottom of my heart for all our students that subscribe and count on us for teaching you Forex. I take a lot of pride in what I do, and I give it my all when I'm training you guys. Building a team of traders, and I really consider this a like a farming ground for that. So hats off to you. So during the time of uncertainty right now, maybe not so much for money, but I'm talking about, because money is immaterial, it comes and goes. I'm talking about family, because that's what where the real wealth is. Smile at somebody, give treat your family like you do your neighbors. Give your mom and dad a hug, your kids a hug, your loved ones a hug, because we're put on this planet to help people that can't help themselves. So anyway, guys, from San Antonio, Texas, Sydney, Guajardo, and the trading places. I bid you farewell. We'll see you later tonight. Thank you. Bye-bye.